Welcome back to our channel. I'm Dean.
I'm Claire.
And we're CSS Cleaning. So we're here now. It's a lovely day. This is our first recording and I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. It's probably going to be a little bit disjointed, but let's keep going. This is a CSS first end of tenancy clean video. Bathrooms are my specialty, so I'm kicking off my cleaning with the main bathroom area. So what we've got here is watermarks on the shower. I don't know if you can see those watermarks. I'm trying to zoom in. You can just about see the watermarks on this glass here, all around here, and going all the way up here, all the way up here. Crazy amount of watermarks all over there. I'll show you that when I get that off. So those watermarks, managed to get all of those watermarks off, all nice and shiny on this glass. Shiny silver tap, shower, shiny glass. Good job. So now we're in bathroom number 2. Sink's a bit grotty. It's very small. Lots of watermarks on the shower door. Like the other one. I don't know if you can see down there. It's not easy, but I think you can just see all in here. Lots of watermarks to get off. Lovely tiling. Nice little bathroom really. Okay. So we're all done in here. We're all done now in here. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny chrome. Shower handles. Shower. All nice and shiny. Shiny glass. Those streaks or finger marks. Shiny mirror, good gleam on that sink and the tap. Yeah, it is a little bit grimy around here. A little bit grimy. I think it's a bit of a mess around there. Top's not the greatest. It's a mess. Sprayed it out. You have to get that up clean.
So, for this first end of tenancy clean video, before I move on to other areas, my specialty is the kitchen. So I'm kicking off my cleaning in the kitchen area. Getting rules.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you think about this video below. Cheers. So what we're doing now is, sometimes when you mop these kind of tiles, it can leave a watermark behind which dries onto the floor and makes it dull. You can see all the watermarks, it's very untidy, so what we're doing is, Claire's just mopping, and I've got a mop.
Improvising.
And I've got a broom with a microfiber cloth, and then I'll chase behind her and put a nice shine on this floor. Which dries the floor and gives it a beautiful shine. I can say I'm not some sort of big time director.